Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, today is the official day where Kaspa has officially gone live with 10 BPS, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we have been talking about this for weeks now. We knew when Kaspa does this, this is going to be the ultimate pack-a-punch. Literally, to put in the most simple terms, imagine a coin, being a certain amount of efficiency, being a certain amount of this and that, and it becomes 10 times the coin it was just yesterday. Okay, it literally pack-a-punched by 10 times. So look, ladies and gentlemen, is officially live as of 11 minutes ago, and when you will see this recording, it'll be roughly an hour ago. So really, really awesome, right? Really, really awesome. This is so freaking exciting, especially as a Kaspa holder. This is, in terms of just crypto revolution, this is just one of the many steps. Kaspa is here to stay. We know they're going for 100 BPS in the future. We are currently at 10. Yesterday, we were just at 1. So, the coin Kaspa, if you asked me yesterday what it's going to be, I was going to say it's going to be 100 times the coin it is today. And that is why holding this coin long term is so nice. It is why I could sleep so well knowing I have a Kaspa bag, where I bought near the bottoms, right? It just makes me sleep so damn well that I know altcoin season around the corner. I know Bitcoin's gonna pump thousands and thousands of dollars more. I know Kaspa itself as a project is absolutely fantastic. I cannot wait. I'm super, super excited. Look, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna show you a few examples. We can see Kaspa's forked, a new era begins for Kaspa in the entire crypto world. 10 blocks per second with real proof of work cryptocurrency. So we can see, right, all in real time. Look at this, right? I am not a coder. I don't understand fully exactly 100% what this means in terms of all these dots on my screen. I understand this is like the work that Kaspa does behind the scenes, but I mean, Jesus, I mean, even just from a logical standpoint, knowing that this coin pack-a-punch by 10 times is absolutely fantastic. And then it will pack-a-punch by 10 times again in the next few months and years. So, like I said, this coin is here to overtake Bitcoin. This coin is here to overtake Ethereum and other coins. I believe Kaspa will be a solidified top 10 coin over the next couple months and years. And look, if we play another video, we can see, look at all these blocks getting formed, right? So, you don't need to know exactly what each block means, what this and that, but you can just literally see logically how fast they are getting created, how good and big and impactful this is for a coin like Kaspa. In the other videos, we have compared it to other coins, right? We saw something like Bitcoin moving at turtle speed. We saw something like there was Sui, there was some other coins that were moving at pretty slow speed, and Kaspa was already the second best at 1 BPS. And now we have pack-a-punch by 10x. So we are the best as of right now, and we will continue to scale up. It is why people say this is one of those coins you just hold and you don't look back for many, many years. I personally myself will be selling, but I will be rebuying once it bottoms out for next cycle again, because this coin definitely has a big, big future. Here are some of the reactions, ladies and gentlemen, on Twitter. Everyone is hyped. People that know how impactful this is, how important, how much of a revolution this is just for crypto. Yeah. Oh my God. I mean, this is just something exciting, ladies and gentlemen. Look, everyone is talking about it. Yeah, look at that. This guy, the Vitalik, is the guy that created Ethereum, right? In 2025, realizing that proof of work is scalable. So, that's him trying to go back in time. If you guys get the reference, you do. But yeah, man, like this is just so, so exciting. It's official, 10 blocks per second running on Kaspa mainnet. Kaspa is 6,000 times faster than Bitcoin. That is crazy, right? We saw videos before where Bitcoin was mining at a very, 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 very slow pace. And now we are officially 6,000 times faster. Right. I'm so happy for this coin. I'm so grateful. We can see, right, more reaction. Crescendo is here. Congratulations to all Kaspa family. So we can see, right? We can see everyone is just celebrating, right? This is 250 BPS. So I guess this is the goal in the future. I mean, look at this. look at this. This would be 20 times faster than we are right now. So this is why this is why I hold this coin. It's just scalable, something that can scale long term, improve. It's automatically going to have an increased worth, right? Because I mean, it's literally becoming like a way better project than it is now. So that's crazy. I mean, look, this is going to be literally 250 times better than the original Kaspa project, right? So exciting times. Obviously, this is, late future. We're celebrating the now. 10 BPS. Everyone is happy. The end game. I mean, Kaspa is literally scaling to be the end game coin, right? So unless something else comes out that can dominate Kaspa, Kaspa's here to stay. So, and like I said, Kaspa is just here to improve and improve and improve and improve. So who knows? Who knows? This coin might be literally a top 5, top 3 coin over the next 5 to 10 years, right? Especially when we have, crypto is getting more adapted, right? So when the governments and other big projects and institutions and big money start wanting to use certain tokens for, you know, the crypto technology side, right? Kaspa is just right up there, right? So it is for me inevitable going to be a top 10, top 5 coin in this ecosystem that's going to have very long, very long life cycle and longevity. Anyways, let's dive into the technical analysis. We can see that we have overall been just ranging, right? We are technically creating lower highs if we count this daily over here, but we're also creating higher lows at this current moment. Now this daily candle is weak, I will say, but that is okay because Bitcoin has retraced a couple of thousand. So yeah, a coin like Kaspa is going to take a hit just because a coin like Kaspa ultimately became 10 times the coin it is now. Doesn't mean it's going to automatically pump 10x in price or go instantly to 20 cents, because you got to remember that everything is linked together. Bitcoin dominance is linked together. Bitcoin is linked together. Kaspa, its market cap and the project, right? So look, Bitcoin has been going down, right? Bitcoin went down, since Friday to now, roughly literally 4%. So if we look at something like Kaspa, I think it's been holding fairly well for the context of the market, right? If we take it from here to here, yeah, 11%, almost 12%. Got to remember, altcoins always do suffer a lot more, especially that Bitcoin dominance has generally been going up. Yes, sure, in the last day or so, it took a little bit of a dip, but generally speaking, it has been going up. Like I said, I expect this coin to do wonders. Overall, if you ask me right now, is it a good time to buy? I would say yes. If we were to get, bigger pullbacks, I don't think we're going to go to this institutional order block, even if Bitcoin does go to like 90K or 89K, right? Because if we were to get a similar retracement of, let's say, 12%, then we probably would end up somewhere over here around the 8 cent mark, retesting, deeper retest of this support. So right now, overall, good time to buy. 9 cents, 8 cents. I think those are fantastic prices. You can't be too stubborn and stingy. All right, you got to remember, once Kaspa officially gets above 11 cents, it is not going to go back. It is not going to go back, okay? Because that is the massive support and resistance, right? If we go and look right on the monthly, we can see this is the massive support and resistance. So once we smash above, right? Once we smash above and get a retest in, I mean, that's it. That's it. We're not ever going back until maybe bear season. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that is practically it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you're looking to be buying Kaspa, personally, I think it's a great buy. Obviously not a financial advisor, but it's just crazy times ahead. This coin literally became 10 times the coin it just was yesterday. So yeah, that is it. Hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Goodbye.